Badwam Ahosepe chumedie so I know her send your weather no at that form boko ni ade ho say weather we come weather ya de faadwen adwudwe ho awia bebrede ye nye guy ti weather ne da form say dia ene ye bedi nkomo memo akwa ababia me din the sister Sandy bi guy 2 times a guy sa me no Ghana's entertainment prophet and kwada mami. And then weekend the mo ya de obi ama nsem ni mu weekend ma sha ma rewra yeah and I'm say oh the mama madwuma na yeah man because as obi a bu no ho because ye we ye mu agana ye morning ti me da mo say Frank bomma netizens sa bom die ne da netizens ase say mo ye nse aha ye we ye Never ni say so Adom TV ya wada oya jeguso ewo ada oje. Few weeks ago, ya pabaya ba ko honto ma fia pena man. Ye broni aija. Ono nso so ye life and living it. Ye share mo bo se yeguso a de dwumadie pii na ebremo because TV no so no efe ni yesa de bi count na eye fe bro so. We de ye wo tomrosie. Oba ho efefo. Just say me be say me hu me mpanyifo bi so mo say say adwuma no mo fa eya na e ka ho say e wo say ho ye fa na because I say no Ghana ina minim station man ho efesan Adom TV ye ho afo oh Frank bom ma ye de hye konkon ye ka tire wa ba ka dwumadi ho ye ka tire say no I can't brand wa ba ka ho wa ba 10 gram ye ya papa bi ya Lopez fabo akwaba
yeah me
officially
okay
ya huhua but officially Mrs. Sandy afina me hu me mo akwaba shonko
me da say
welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
Oh mummo ma ho fe no ye oni adu so nyai mummo me nyom adi aba mummo me nyom we wonyina hi so ne height e gini oba wo twa
me da say
wo twa se blade
me da say
ye screen so ba ye fe enti mummo ya nyom na onwudwo no ho me fa ngege ne tata na interesting because enya ho ofen kwa na ye be serve yes serve nyansa yes serve humility
right
yes serve just say edian guy wa ko school books a wasua ne ti ehye eti yes serve be bi
right
ewo Adom TV so me sure so hu promo ne say erane girls can talk na wo de batwi ma girls kasa wo promo na onya fair idea about senior dwumadie no ba beko senior emma mia ye kasa ne ade monsomfo Jean Lopez wono enie tara ya kwaba
yeah nia me da say baby
why ready
my ready
oh nia say enim de otimi e me shia we yi we me mo be me shia we kwa
one corner
me hu de otimi enti no me de me nim de wo de ba
right
fire na no wedding na nim bibi where rabadodo mumu mano yeah Adom no ye wo crazy ekuo ye wo beka ye man fa no rabako no ele ye wo keke me ya na pokria where raba it's a life in fact a life and living it chegu na girls can talk before that no who is Ya Lopez ya heard for person who the power who is Ya Lopez
okay me din Ya Lopez a very bold and beautiful
give it out for bold from bold young lady. I love
that believes in the voice of every girl. Say obia voice regardless where you are, regardless where you are coming from.
Exactly.
Our voice. Yes. Say opese o can be na if you want to be heard, you must talk because someone kasa
Obianto. Hey, so I don't know about so if you want to be what? If you want to be what? Heard people. Yeah, heard. I say I don't want to talk what you say. If you want to be heard,
right.
And you know, you are more like the voice of the girls.
That's right.
As they say Ghana hanging on. And Maya ka say cause to say saloon, say warimu, say school, dormitory, wherever girls talk no. You are their president.
Exactly.
Officially.
Girls prefects. Back up.
Oh, baboom. Officially, no, yeah, Mamonia West say girls in our prefects. Any entertainment prefects. So any.
That's right.
It's girls who person can the first. But talking of that, you know, what's your philosophy in life?
So I believe in family. I believe in good living, respect, being humble.
Exactly.
I believe in all that. I believe say obia if you want to get to a place, I was say make sure say humble because baby our person obia kohoda.
Oh.
Inti before obedru no. Don't step on people to get there. Make sure say overflow actually in the right way. So na be ya o sane obi betimi asom
watch yourself so for body am champa watch yourself ko make yes yet timo Christo mo babusua me I'm yet to see obi a obey TV show na sorry ne sofo panyin elders etimi abunchi nku e din say gunu so makers chapel and opay me chiam ye pa sofo body am che woni wapamfo wa sorry manyina say mo say ya Lopez e be come multimedia dwumakuo ne ho munya brani ada didn't know yes with my say oh there I can see the fire burning the every sunny makers or shaba into Christo sumo and sana wo by screen say so and congratulations are in order for our sister Ya Lopez but yeah can hina free oh yeah fabo opem so na no
akope
Santiago die na pese nya bodi bia oh akomni nchiremu mo pia akwa baby America that's right but what do you do for a living?
Okay, so I'm a businesswoman. I sell a couple of things. Meton hair extensions for braids and that entire and other things, perfumes, splashes, and all.
Fianso de toa de pa.
Oh, you me be pom pom.
Wo ye show pon na ye ton ade. Ye be to ama pay. Ye tabusua Ya Lopez ni officially o china me Adom girls can talk no. Ye sha se wa Adom TV so 3 p.m. Sani ye no. Now she's the voice for the girls. The girls we be follow no social na so baby bia sem bia wo bia pesa wo di jaye bia no. Fafa Ya Lopez so entertainment agudie so de bisane me so ye di asa Ahosepe ye di nsekru ne ade na emum o pesa wo kan asem as a girl this is the right place to be Ya Lopez inti ye kan ye hwe promo no one more time ye ba ne na to ankomo ne so
e woni ema yesuro ene ema enya nokre si e di free adwumam ekosi fie ni nyina kire ye bibi e wo abrabom sana oba be ware no ya no wani so de hunu bi o nansu ani suro ni nyina ja ye nkasa
ma ware so yem shishimi sister forget you enya opa na ware obi a wenyi
se ba ye nyuma mu nso a ohawo ne do so nansu ye nyai kasa
Charlie, partners now reaching out to me. I'm still now person Beman CEO company instead of Obano.
Na so bata ye be mu dia ene no haw na ye bebre eno kra na gya ye nkasa dodo
to me pie opa na se fie hono mo me ni baby o so share style ni funia okoba na the style we aba okoba na the we aba na so bi o mo be ye bia fa ye ho still ye ginam
so ba be ware odo be kwa adwumam ana dwom be bia kasa no a
girls can talk.
Say na etie girls can say sekuru nyina e ba beti wo hu salon ho de be kokoso ne ade but interestingly why girls can talk.
Okay, so girls can talk because most of the time I say yeah the masha box bim I say untimi express who be so you're proud express who you say umwade and na onye submissive onye calm and girls can talk because you pay chance the platform and ma betimi akasa freely with boldness and being comfortable as well. So that's
and
why.
you as their prefect say na okra you bold a work say that's a man na be do what you bold akasa
no come out of our shell.
Oh beautiful. But we social ne so
I'm social.
Bobo social that active. Where there was a way what bed you make there was all active. Then man didn't send me beja with DM. So bonnie starting follow
social media across all social media platforms. Pat Lopez.
Okay, Pat
Lopez. PAT-LOPEZ.
Great.
Pat Lopez. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, baby, Snapchat, baby.
Hey, also two coins so in the bro for TikTok. Last one. Then I Ghana for expecting through her waba, what more fair boldness here home. But then you expect from more for sure.
Okay. So the inspiration is that you per se a bon como. Emma girls say share ye betena se ye bekasa ye beka ye boso asem de ahye ye boso ayintimi nke nyina ye betimi aka ewo girls can talk so na omate say ye nso ye wo opinion ana say ye nso ye wo adwen sebe nti ye betimi aka nyansa asem abawom nti na mo expect because ebe very very interesting
o chance me pon bisa nyom 12 so me te ho ni three ye ta wachi de den de o buy o so share if you had one family ya mo akwa aba me gina obia na mo ma ni nyina ye je o fel so o kan ye ho ye nua no nti akwa aba shon kwa mo mo ma no ye nya ka achire ba ko ka achire ya na ni so ebi ka achire ya je o so de mu ede pa big shout out and Davina and Bisiu Samuel Jeremy Teria Bisiu Brad Morris Bisiu and Mr. Bernard Bisiu Davina and Bisiu Samuel Jeremy Teria Bisiu me chiamu ina no pe someone te ho a mo hwe but before I measure akwan no once I do ko shopping ni ade e wo Wendy's closet
that's right
also to you be atonta de once maybe do round say guy wom hey Adom TV once ya kan was we ya anya kasa kwa
baby
sanya kan ka echi ya jeju so yeah you know which I say adwuma no ya ta wachi pa de den eti ya share no real quick ya ba okay anyway my final words expectations for tomorrow na yam fancy
okay ebushon for girls can talk we are here to stay and we are here to express ourselves
we love it
pe say obi ehun say e man so ye wo voice
great
ana yetimi kasa etimi kasa wo nyansa so abawom enye say de bia girls kasa ntini ye ka nsem bia epebia girls can talk so de ye ka nyansa sem abawom
no pem so na
bia betimi afa ebi ato ne nti we say Ghana for say munye ready ochina 3 pm pepepe Adom TV set to allow ye na calendar
open fana na de nyansa ma yenim de obey nti watchna de wo jane ni more fire yet ho twen mu ye pa thank you once again thanks for coming
thank you for having me
I wish you all the very best in this journey
thank you
yeta wachi spoil there baby girl
I'll spoil there
America tawachi I started the darling factor jumedie ba ko a talent is we nsroma o se nsroma de nkwala darling factor de mpanifo hwe judges and the Dusty Saliman omoji omegwatena sena no kwanwo sabna mo words be fair mu Nikki Samonas Eric Siedu Buadi host eya am wani nko ho kwasi ada anwumre o show no oja ko social no so aye twetwagu ho Wednesday make sure yi talent be actual because we are here for the talent. The darling factor almost to show your skills. But here the sister Sandy be a guy and mini
Ya Lopez.
Yani some and nano for fellows OPD. I am a producer Mark Weber. I am a director Welbeck Kofi and Pedro supervisor with territory boss or recipe be able to talk akwa mutina natibongo. I am camera Frank, a sound engineer MCR post production makeup Esther Ann and a Eugenia Baden. Igilwe a share matadi. I'm the guy Squin. You be sure girls Casas watching 3 p.m. We are out. Bye for now.
When you start sending them, where do you or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
See a different jumum. Eko si fie. Ni nyina chire yem bibi. Ewa brabom. Ansa na obaba ware no. Ya no wani so ade hunu bi o. Nansu ani suo. Ni nyina ja yen kasa.
Ma ware nso yem hihye sister, forget you. Enya opa na ware obi a wenyi.
Se ba yenwuma mu nso a. Ohaw ne do so. Nansu yenyai kasa.
Charlie, partners not reaching out to me. I'm still now I'm Pese Beman CEO company instead of Obano.
Says
na so batan ye ba mu dia ene no haw na ye bebre eno kra na gya ye nkasa dodo no
to me pie opa na si fie hono mo me ni baby o so share style ni fibunia okoba na the style we aba okoba na the we aba na so bi o mo be ye bia fa ye ho still ye ginam mu
so baba ware odo be kwa adwumam ana dwom bebia kasa no a
girls can talk.